Okay, everything is fine, guys.
Yeah, everything is fine.
Okay.
Yes, fine.
Okay. Path variable, path variable. Sometimes we have need to send the data in what? URL also, guys. Okay. Sometimes we have need to send the data in what? URL, right? URL also. So it is a new way of sending the sending data from what? Consumer to provider, guys. It's a new way, right? It's a new way to send the data, right? Send data from what? Send data from what? Consumer to provider, right? Consumer to what? Provider. Fine, guys. So, okay, using path what? Using path, what we are doing? Path means what? Nothing, guys. If until unless if I'm not giving you address, you can't reach my home, right? Or you
Can't reach.
can't, right?
Can't reach, yes.
Okay, so same path means what? Path means what? Route of reaching any API. Variable means what? Means variable means what? Sending means what? Some data, right? Some data. Variable means what? Data only, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay. So same like means in the URL. So means what? In the URL, sending some data. Sending in URL itself only. Sending some data is nothing but what? Path variable, guys. Okay. Path variable. Clear?
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's clear.
Okay. Yeah. This two path variable. Okay. This path variable. This path variable is what? Two type, guys. Okay. Two type. This path variable is what? Type of what? Path is what? Two type, right? Two type. One is what? Static path. Static path is nothing but what? Actual. Static path is nothing but what? Actual path given what? Given for what? Service, right? Service, right? Given for what? Service, guys. Okay. Whenever we are making the request means what? Our request is coming to whom? Our request is coming to whom? 1 minute. Where our model?
Server.
1 minute.
Controller.
Yeah, this is right. Means what? How we are sending the data? Like what? How? What is that? What is that? Like what? Just example I'm giving, guys. Okay. Just example is what? Like what? HTTP colon localhost, right? Localhost colon what? 9595 slash what? Employee, right? Employee slash what? Slash what? Save. Like this, we are sending the data, right? Come on. Like this only we are sending the data.
Yes, correct.
Like this only we are
Yes,
sending the request, na? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, same.
So this is nothing but what? Actual path. We can say that what? Actual path or static path or not. Anywhere we are not sending data, right? Anywhere we are not sending the data. Whatever path we applied on the top of method or class, those path only, those URI only we are taking, right? Come on.
Yeah. Yes, right.
yes, Ravi.
Yes, correct.
Okay, but in the URL also, in the URL we can send, right? We can send the data also, guys. Okay, we can send the data also, right? What is that? That is called what? Dynamic data. We can send our data as what? Dynamic. We can send our dynamic. We can use what? Our dynamic path to send the data, right? Means what? Sending the data, sending data, sending data, which which looks looks like looks like what? Path only, right? Looks like what? Path.
Path only.
So how we can send it? If we want to send the data, if we want to send the data in the path, right? In the path, how we can send it now, guys? Okay, in the path itself only. Just 1 minute. 1 minute, guys. Yeah, okay. So dynamic path, right? Second way is what? To send the data and what? In the path itself only. But what? How we can send it the syntax. I'm giving the syntax. Just I'm giving the syntax only, right? So path, dynamic data means what? Data. This is the dynamic open bracket and a close bracket. We can apply this what? This open bracket and a close bracket inside the data like this. Like this syntax we will apply on the top of what? We can apply at a class level, at what? Class, at a class level also, at a class level also, as well as what? Method also. Method also, right? Method also. So similar way, just I'm giving one class, guys. Okay, let's clear here itself only. Okay, so just think about, just see this. Okay, see this. Okay, so how we are normally, how we are writing our controller, how we are writing our normal controller. So just what? Class, I'm taking what? Employee controller. Employee controller. Employee controller. This is our what? Employee controller is there, guys. Okay, so on the top of what? On the top of just we are making, if we want to make our this class as a REST class, then what annotation we have need to apply? REST controller.
REST controller.
REST controller, right? REST controller. Similar way, if we want to give what at a class level URI also, then what we will, what annotation we will apply, guys?
At the rate of request
mapping.
Request mapping, right? Request mapping. Just inside this request mapping, I'm giving what? Request mapping. Inside the request mapping, I'm giving what? Employee, right? Employee. Fine now, guys. So fine. Okay, good. So, but we have need to send what? Some data in what? URL. Some data in what? URL, right? But how we will read this, that URL data? How we will read that URL data in what? Our what? Our method, right? Our method. And to reading that URL data, right? URL data in method, that is nothing but what? That is nothing but what? Dynamic. To reading dynamic data, right? To reading dynamic data from the what? From the URL, guys. Okay, from the URL. Okay, so fine. So how we just normal public request entity, right? Public what? Our method is what? Our method is what? Just let's take what I can take. Give me some time. I want to prepare one example. Okay, just I'm taking one method, employee only, right? Employee. This is our method return type, guys. Okay, this is our method return type. Inside that employee, right? Employee. This is the method only. This is the method, but we have need to what? Read the data from the URL also, right? We have need to read the data from the URL. So for that, what? Just I'm taking get mapping. Get mapping. Here I'm taking the get mapping. Inside that what? Inside that what I'm taking now, guys? Slash I'm taking what? Get data. Get data plus, right? Get data. I need to based on the ID, right? So just think about that ID means what? This ID is nothing but what? We have need to send the ID inside the right URL, and we have need to read it. We have need to read it, right? We have need to read this what? ID inside that what?
ID.
Inside this what? Inside this method. Inside this method. This, but we can say this one, right? This one is what? Static. This one is what? Static URL. This is what? Static. But here what is that? We are reading the data. We are reading URL as what? Dynamic. Dynamic, guys. Okay, here we are reading that what? URL as what? Dynamic itself only. But what? How we can read this data? How we can read this dynamic URL? How we can read this dynamic URL? We have need to pass here what? One we have need to pass here what? We have need to pass here what? At the rate path variable annotation, right? And what? Which kind of data type we have need? If you want to use string, use the string data, right? Data. But this data, this variable name must match with what? This one must match with what? This one. Okay, so like that we have need to apply, right? But here ID is what? ID called as what? Dynamic path. Here ID we can say as what? Dynamic path. And here employee we can say that static path. Come on, guys.
Yes, Praveen.
Yes, clear. Yes, clear.
But whenever we have need to pass dynamic data, right? Whenever we have need to call dynamic path, we have need to pass what? Data here. In the URL, we have need to pass the data, right? We have need. Then how we can make the request for this API? This API is there, na? So how we can make it, guys? Okay. So localhost. 1 minute. I'm making the request. Just think about that. What is our URL will be, right? So local HTTP colon localhost, right? Localhost colon 9595, right? 9595 slash employee slash what is that? Get data, right? Slash what is that? ID. We are passing here ID. This is the dynamic data, na? Come on. So here ID is there, and our ID is what? String type. Then what we can send it here? We can just send the Ravi also. We can send it. So this is not this URL means what? This data will read as what? This data we can read this data as what? Dynamic or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, Praveen.
Okay. So this is used to send what? Mainly what is that? This is used to send the data using what? URL. Main purpose is what? Path variable is what? Usage is what? To sending the data inside what? URL, guys. Okay. To sending the data inside that URL. So main purpose is that one only, right? This one only for to sending the data inside that URL. Okay, fine. So but if you want to read the data, from the URL, then you have need to apply? What annotation you have need to apply, guys?
At the rate path variable.
Okay, yeah, at the rate path.
Rate path variable.
Yeah, at the rate path variable. But actually one more things, guys. Okay, so whenever you are applying this one, order must be. Just think about that. Here get is there, na? Here get is there. After then you are applying again you are applying in the same URL multi-label dynamic. You are reading multi-label dynamic path. Okay, so good. So here ID is there slash you are slash 1 minute. Slash just I'm sending what? Just dynamic data I'm sending what? Dynamic data I'm sending here what we can take it, just take data itself only, right? Data itself only. And this data is what? Double type in the path. Here comma, you have to give the comma, again take the path
Path variable.
at the rate path variable and here you are taking double, right? Double data type and what? Just take the data itself only, right? So at the time of sending the data, inside URL, right? Inside that URL path, then if you mismatch anything, right? Then your application will not execute. You will get 400, right? 404 error. 404 error you will get. Okay, means what? Whatever path is there, you have to follow all path as it is only, right? As it is. It's mandatory to what? Put everything as what? In the URL. Otherwise you will get what? 404 error, guys. Okay, so let's do the practical and we will see each and everything as a practical itself only, guys. Okay, so now shall I implement this application?
Yes, Praveen.
Yes.
Okay, so fine now, guys. Fine. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, just I'm creating one more application, right? Just I'm creating one more file, new, and I'm taking what? I'm taking what? Spring Starter project. So here, let's take what? Path variable, right? Path variable. Next, select what? Lombok. Lombok is need. Lombok API is a need in this application. Let's no need. Okay, let's we will not. Just we need what? Spring Boot application, dev tool, right? Next, finish. Okay, so now it's here. Oh, okay. So here let's take server.port, right? First let's take server dot what port. I'm taking what? Server.port equal to what? 959. Fine. Right, it's going here. Something problem is there. Okay. Okay, file new. Let's take one more time. Same application. Right? Path variable. Fine. Everything is fine. Next, dev tool, Spring Web. Next, finish. Okay. Server dot what port, right? Equal to 959. Now fine. Okay, good. So come here. Just I'm taking one normal REST controller, guys. Okay. New class. Finish.
Even if you don't use the port, it will run on the default port, right?
Yeah, it will run on the default port. Okay, there is no problem in that, but explicitly I'm giving. Okay, explicitly I'm giving my own port number. So here, okay, let's make this one as what? At the rate request. Sorry, at the rate REST controller, right?
Yes, sir.
At the rate. I have need to change this one. Okay, REST controller. Okay. So now let's take as what? REST controller. REST controller. Fine. So here I'm taking what? Request mapping.
Request method.
Mapping.
Request mapping. Inside that, just I'm taking what? Test itself only. Let's take it test itself only, right? So after then what? Public request entity, right? Request entity, let's take a string. Okay, so here what get data. Get data. I'm taking get data inside that what return type. Just I'm returning what? Just I'm returning response entity itself only. So what is just normal? What is our return type will be?
Response entity plus entity return. Response entity.
Null. Okay, so response entity, right? Response entity inside that string generic type. RS equal to new response entity.
You have to take response entity. You know.
It's the return type, sir.
Return type request entity you have taken.
In method declaration.
Yes.
Method.
In one memory
Yes, got it. Right. Okay, so here just I'm taking what? Just normally, just I'm writing hello data, right? Hello data. After then what? HTTP status dot okay. Fine. I'm just returning this one. Okay, just I'm returning this. Fine now, guys. So okay. Just let's run our application. Normal execution. Just I want to show. After then we will implement. Right click. Spring Boot application, right? Here we forget about that what get mapping. Slash data, right? That's it. Okay, guys. So come here. 9595. Here, let's take test. Here I'm making the data. But here what we are doing now, we are not sending any data in the URL, guys. Okay, we are not, but we are getting hello data, right? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Our requirement is what we have need to send the data in what URL, right? URL, and we have need to read that URL data inside that what our REST API. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct.
Okay, so for that, if you need to read the data from the URL, then what you have need to apply? What
Post mapping.
right? Post mapping, na? No. We have need to use what?
Path variable.
Path variable. We have need to read the data from the path, right? From the path. And we just learn path is how many type of path, guys? Static path and a dynamic path. Okay, fine. So here what we have need to do here, just what I'm going to do now, slash dynamic, right? We have need to send the I need to send the name. I need to send the name. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, dynamic.
Okay, so then if you want to read that dynamic data, dynamic path data, then what annotation you have need to apply inside this? Yeah, at the rate what? Path variable.
Path variable.
Okay. So after then what? You take here integer. No, sorry. String. Let's take a string. String. And this local variable, this local variable must match with this one, guys. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine now. So here just what I'm going to do now, just here string, how we are just plus name, right?
Name, yes.
Okay, fine. So, okay guys, so let's make the request. Now here what I'm going to do now, just here what I'm making the request as what Ravi, right? So now I'm making the request.
Date after date test.
Oh, sorry.
After
The
data,
test we have to read data.
after
Yeah.
data.
Slash
After
what
that, ready.
data is there, right?
Yes.
Now let's make the request. Now we are getting hello Ravi or not, guys? Come on.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, we are getting.
We are sending the data in URL. Means what? URL, and we are reading that URL, right? URL using what dynamic path or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
correct.
This is nothing but what? This is nothing but what? Path variable, guys. Okay, path variable. This is nothing but what? Path parameter.
Path variable.
Path parameter. Path variable. We can say it, right? So now fine, guys. So, but one thing. If you are not sending Ravi, just what? Till now only if you are sending the data, then you will get the error. See this? What is that? 400. I said nah. Come on.
Yes.
Four,
Yes,
four
sir.
not four. You will get the four
Yes,
not
yes.
four. Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine now, guys. So okay, if order is mismatched, just see this. Okay, again, multi-level dynamic path data I want to read. So here what I'm taking ID, right? ID. I'm taking ID. Okay, so here what again? What I'm comma at the rate
At
path
the rate path variable.
at the rate
Path
path
variable integer ID.
Integer
Okay.
ID.
Integer ID. Okay. I'm taking
User. Yeah.
integer ID. Okay, fine now, guys. So here what I'm going to do it now. So let's
Will pass
Yes,
ID
ID.
also.
Plus ID.
here I'm reading what ID, right?
ID.
ID.
Okay, so now here what? Now here data, we are sending data, right? Data slash what? Name Ravi. I'm sending Ravi. Okay, after then ID I'm sending 20. Fine. 20. Now send it. We are getting hello data Ravi 20 now. Output we are getting.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yes, yes, correct.
Yes.
Yes.
We are
We are
getting.
getting now. But what I'm
Yes,
going to
yes.
do it now. I'm just doing what 20 first. I'm taking 20 here. 20 and here I'm taking what Ravi means what it's mismatch, right?
It
Parameter is
will mismatch.
right. Then what we are getting 400 means what? Whatever end user, whatever request you are making, that request is what
Bad
bad.
request.
Bad
Our method is not accepting.
request.
Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, clear, Ravi, clear.
Clear, right?
Yes, got it.
Okay. This is nothing but what? Path parameter, guys. Okay, so let's what? So priority. Let's talk about the priority, guys. Okay, just I said right. How many type of path variable now, guys? Path parameter. How many type? Static
Two
and what?
types.
Two types,
Dynamic.
static,
Two
dynamic.
types, dynamic and static.
Okay, so fine now, guys. So what I'm going to do now, just I'm deleting again. Let's write again one more time. Okay. So what I'm public what public get sorry response entity, right? Response entity. Just I'm taking what string itself only and what data A I'm taking, right? Method name just I'm taking data A. Okay. So here what I'm taking now, guys. Okay. Data A. Okay, fine. So here just what I'm returning. Let's return directly new response entity. Na
Yes, sir.
Yes.
response
No.
entity. Response entity. Okay, fine. In the response entity, what we are taking now? Just what? Data A. Data A. This is the data A only, right? This is the data A. Okay, fine. Data A. And what? Comma.
HTTP.
HTTP status. Dot. Okay. Fine. Okay, so one method is ready. Okay, stop it. Okay, so here on the top of what, get mapping, right? Get mapping I'm taking.
Yeah.
Yes, Ravi.
Get mapping, right? Get mapping. Fine, guys. Get mapping I'm
Slash
taking.
data.
1 minute. Get mapping. Okay, inside that just what I'm taking now. I'm taking what, get.
Get.
Just I'm taking what, get itself only, right? Get I'm taking, after then what, slash data, right? Slash data I'm taking, after then same method again I'm calling. 1 minute, paste it, right? Paste it, both will be there. Mix up method is there, dynamic and static, both path I'm taking, guys. Okay, so here what is that, just I'm making this one as a what, here I'm making this one as a what, dynamic. In this URI, right? In this URI and the same URL I'm making the dynamic, and here static is there, right? Static is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the argument, right? In the argument we have need to read it also, right? At the rate what, path variable, right?
Down, sir. Path variable by down method.
statement.
No, you have to take that down, no?
Down.
In second method.
Path variable.
Second
The
method.
dynamic you have to take.
Dynamic related.
Yeah,
The
correct.
second method.
Sorry,
Yeah.
correct. So here I'm taking, right?
Yeah. Variable.
Here I'm taking, right, path variable. I'm taking here what, path variable, and just take string data.
Data.
Fine. Okay, good. Fine. These two methods are there. Okay. So then what is our what, request methodology now, guys? So here, how? Okay, 1 minute. Here I'm making what, http colon localhost colon 9595 slash test slash, okay, test slash get and data, right?
Slash data.
Get
Get
data.
and what, data. If I'm making this request, right, based on this one, can you tell which method will execute, guys, or we will get error?
First one.
First method.
First
First
one.
method.
Why?
Because this
Default
is
will
the
be
static.
This is not a dynamic
static.
data.
Default will be
Static
static.
data.
Data.
Okay, so means what? Okay, fine now, guys. Okay, so fine. I'm making this one. Okay, your answer is correct. Okay, so what? I'm making the request. Now I'm sending the data. Okay, no issue. We have need to run the application first now. Okay, let's make the request. Now I'm making the request, right? What happened? It's running. Test get data.
Still running.
Localhost 9595 test get. Test slash get slash data.
Data.
Okay, now send it. Hey, what happened? Yeah, we are getting the A. Okay, come on.
Yes,
sir.
yes. First method.
Come on, because Anna.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, here what I'm capitalizing this one. Then till what is the output?
No data.
Second method.
Static dynamic
No,
method.
it's-
Second one.
Second one.
No, it's data coming.
Because here also data only and here also data,
Data.
right? So
Yeah.
both are the same. Then why second one?
Means it's a D capital changing. That's why dynamic
Because data
data.
will be a dynamic data.
Then this method priority will be there, right? This method priority will be
Yes,
there.
sir.
See? Come on.
Yes.
1 minute. Something wrong. 1
No,
minute.
you have given both data A only.
Yes. I got it. Here we have need to give B.
Yeah, exact. Correct.
We are getting the B result, right? Why?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
correct.
Yes, sir.
Dynamic.
Because you have given capital D.
Okay, so why it's taking, just normally think about this one, guys. Okay, whenever a string, right? String, just think about that. Yes is there, right? In the string we can hold like data or data also, right? Data, both we can hold it or not. Come on.
Yes, we
Small,
can hold.
we
Yes,
can
Yes,
hold,
sir.
right? We
Yes,
can
sir.
hold. We can
We
hold
can
it.
give 10 also, right?
But here what? But see this, if right? If we are sending this one, if we are sending this small data, but what the methodology is, what both are the same only, guys. Okay, data here both, but what here, what static path is there, but here we are reading the dynamic data also. Come on, we are reading the dynamic
Yes,
data.
sir.
Dynamic, yeah.
Dynamic data also reading.
Means what? But still we are getting the A methodology. Why? Means what? One conclusion behind it there, guys. Okay. Static priority. If static and dynamic both method is there, then every time execute what? First execution will be our what? First
Static.
execution will be static.
A static only.
Our container will give priority to whom? Static path
Static
variable, right?
method.
Static path. Then dynamic path will go, right? Come on.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes, correct.
Clear? Anyone having any
Yeah,
doubt?
Yes, sir.
No doubt.
No,
It's
it's
clear.
No,
clear.
it's clear.
Yes, clear.
Clear, right?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. So still, what is that? I'm going to implement what? One CORD application. CORD application. CORD application in that exception handling. Exception handling is there, right? Exception handling is there. In that application, I will implement log support also. Log using log4j. After then I will implement what? Swagger. After then what? Unit testing. We will do in that application unit testing. After then jQuery or Angular, using Angular, we will implement what is that? UI client. UI integration. After then what? REST template. REST template, right? REST template. These many things still is there, guys. Okay. So let's stop the session. We will learn these things in the next weekend. These concepts we will learn in next weekend, and after then we will start what? Microservices, guys. Okay.
Sure, sure. Okay.
Okay, guys. So
Okay, Ravi.
Thanks for the wonderful session, Ravi.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, Ravi.
okay, guys.
Ravi, I have one question.
Ask it.
Actually, may I access that customized data with the help of this means path variable?
Customized data means what?
Means a particular data. Suppose whose salary is greater than means 80,000. Like this type of data we can find.
Just
Fetch.
based on that ID, right? Based on that ID, you can fetch it. And if you, just like if you are writing the query greater than that, this much, right? If you are sending the greater than the actual value, if you send internal, if you are writing the greater than related query, then it will work. Okay, then it will work. But I did not see anywhere, right? In the last time, wherever I implemented the project, right? I did not find like this, whatever your query is there, but we can do it.
Okay.
Okay,
In
guys.
the next class, can you show that as well as an example?
Yeah, definitely. Our next application is mini project itself only, right? Mini project
Okay.
itself only. So we will implement it wherever edit operation we will give in the application. There its usage is there. Okay. In the query
Okay.
itself, what is the related to dynamic path? What we can do it now? Just